You are going to love the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, clock, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, Sirius satellite radio, equalizer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.